Okay, let's make the big calendar here with the support sessions, and also it shows us the assignments as well. So to make one like this, we're going to go back to Google Calendars, and see, when you log on to Google Calendar, you see something like this with your calendars. Click on the drop down box next to any of them, doesn't matter which one. Go to calendar settings, ignore everything, go down to embed this calendar and straight to customize the color size, blah blah blah. Now we're gonna make this a week view. So we're gonna view 1 week, and I don't care about the title or tabs, calendar list, or the time zone. Nice simple view. Size is good to me. Starting on Sunday, that's fine. Now I just choose the calendars I want. So I want Kava time. I want the due dates, on track togethers, student choice, weekly starter, and the assignments. And I've got some other calendars that I've found on Google Calendars that are public. Like there's a US holidays one, I'll add that, and phases of the moon, I'll add that. And then we get to see fun stuff like holidays and pictures of the moon to see what moon phases we're in. Not very important stuff, but it's little things that don't detract much. Okay, so I'll leave them. Update the HTML, make sure it's what we want. Copy all of it. And then we would just go to one of our pages, go to author mode, and we'd paste that code wherever we want it to be. So HTML mode again. I'm going to paste this one at the very top. Save it. And now you'll see that there's now a calendar at the very top. And there it is. Now what if we want to, let me delete this, what if we want to put this calendar in maybe one of the weekly announcements. So here's how we can do it. I'll go to one of my weekly announcements, and you can see that I've got one of these calendars here. That's the agenda one. Actually, let's take a look at a weekly starter. Okay, so here's an old weekly starter. And way down here I do have one of these calendars embedded. And you'll see it's showing the appropriate date. It's not showing the current date. So how do you do that? Well, you just have to modify the code a little. You need this string here. So copy this one. You need to find that iframe tag. Here's the embed code. Let me, I've already added the date thing. I'll take it out. Okay, here's what it looks like. Starts with an iframe tag, ends with the end iframe tag. Somewhere in the middle, there's an src equals, and then HTTP, and then big long URL that passes a whole lot of information to Google. At the very end, we're going to pass one more thing, and that is we're going to pass a couple of dates to it. Dates have to be in the format year, 4-digit, month, 2-digit, day, 2-digit. It's the easiest way to format dates for computers. Alright, so let's just come up with any date we want. 2013, 06, 05. Don't know if that's a Monday or not, or a Sunday or not. Who knows? We'll find out if this works. Now I'm going to make the second date 7 days after that, because it's a week calendar. So 06, 12. Now I'm going to copy this whole thing, copy this code, and I'll go to one of my, here we go, here's the weekly starter. I'm just going to paste this in maybe to the bottom, just to see what happens. So, step 4, put it in right here. Save it. We'll just take a look at what we've got. See if that worked. I have no idea if 6:05 is a Monday or not. But here it is. Okay. So here's the 5th. It's not a Sunday, so it went back to the Sunday before it. So you see the calendar is actually pretty flexible about this kind of stuff. Okay. I'm going to take this out. That's how we do it. That's how you make one of those big support session calendars with the assignments and everything right in there.